What's up, y'all? Today, I'm gonna tell you a few reasons why the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS is one of the best thermal drones for under 10K. The thermal camera. This drone is equipped with an incredible thermal camera from Teledyne FLIR, the company that pioneered the thermal imaging industry. It's a 640 by 512 FLIR Boson thermal camera with a 5x digital zoom, so you can see even the smallest details in the dark. No geofencing or restrictions. Fly it wherever you want, whenever you want. The SIRAS doesn't have any of the geofencing restrictions that you often find on other drones. Easy to use. Even your grandparents could figure it out. The SIRAS has one of the simplest menu interfaces to use. There are no complicated settings to mess with, just point and shoot. SIRAS runs completely offline. This may sound like a weird feature, but it's actually a huge plus for enterprise users. No more mandatory updates before you can launch the drone. Security. If you're capturing sensitive data with the drone, you don't want that data to be vulnerable. The SIRAS doesn't have any internet connectivity, so your data is safe from hackers and prying eyes. Not Chinese made. With more and more government entities like the state of Florida banning the use of Chinese-made drones, the SIRAS is a safe bet. It's made in Taiwan with final assembly in the United States. Quick connect payload. Swap out different payloads in seconds. No tools required. Even though there's only one payload on offer currently, Teledyne FLIR promises there are more in the works. Rated for all weather. The SIRAS is IP54 rated, meaning it's dustproof and water resistant, making it capable of working in nearly any condition. HOT-SWAPPABLE batteries. There's no need to power down the drone to swap batteries. When seconds count, this is the fastest way to get you back in the air quickly. Get in the air in less than 60 seconds. From the case, the SIRAS can be in the air in less than a minute. No more waiting for firmware updates or connecting to the cloud. Just take it out the case, unfold the arms, and power it on. And then you're in the air. So there you have it. My top 10 reasons why the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS is one of the best thermal drones under 10K. If you have any questions or need any help with a purchase, give us a call, email us, or visit our website at dronefly.com. I'm Daniel, and I'll see you next time.